Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be looking at Discord chatting. So what I mean by that is it's pretty much the same as login, but instead of player joining, it logs the chat. It's kind of like 5M. If anyone watching this video plays 5M, which is GTA 5, and has Discord chat function or Discord login, it's called. If you guys want, you guys can also implement this into the original that I made, which was the login, which is the join and leaving login, which I will link that down in the cards or in the description. Alright, so starting today's video, we're gonna be using the same module as we did in the original video, which was the login. Make sure that you guys got everything correct. I'm just gonna zoom it up here. I'm gonna close the toolbox so then you guys can see. Can you see? Yes, you can. Okay. So first things first, what we're gonna do is, if you guys want to implement it into the same script, we'll make a whole separate script. As I deleted the script, I'm gonna recreate a script. So in service storage, create a script, or and it's the sense of using the same script as the login, or the, as some people call it, joining and leaving. You guys can use it. I'm not gonna rename it. I'm just gonna leave it script. So as in the first one, let's get the mod. We're gonna do the script the whole different way. It's the same thing if you guys are using the regular script. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call or get the module first. Now you guys, if you guys want to, if you guys don't want to have it in game, if for example you guys are using this for a game that's frequently visited by people, you can just go like this, keep it like this, rename it to main module, and save it to Roblox. But if you want to use it, it has to be saved under the same group or your profile. Otherwise, it will not work due to the whole stupid private modules thing. But I'm just gonna keep it in the game. So oh my god, I keep using that. Script.parent dot Discord API module. Okay, so then now let's make the table. This table is going to be accessed only by the script. Now, unless that's false, if you guys want to correct me on that. So let's get the ID and then the token. So I just got pinged on somewhere on Discord, yeah? Oh, this. Alright. Now I've got to figure. Okay. So make sure you guys also create a webhook if you guys have not already. I'm just getting my webhook here. Okay. By the way, there's no use of trying to use this webhook. I make them useless after the video. Just to let you guys know that. Okay. Now it's to call the regular or the actual webhook. I'm gonna be using the same name. Let's actually just call it webhook. Equals module.new. So what that is doing is it's getting this and setting a meta table, which then you can do self.id. It's basically in my own words, it's setting it as a table. That's my own words, but you guys can correct me on that. And then data.id and data.token. Alright, now on to the actual function. So the function part is game.players, the player added, and then connect function and to get the variable player. Now we've got to identify when the player chats something. So chatted, connect, function. Now you can name the variable for the message whatever you want, but I'm just gonna name it message, MSG. Now, self self kind of self-explanatory. It's then you just go ahead and webhook post, and then I'm not even gonna deal with the avatar. If you guys want to add the avatar, it's the same thing as in my other video. It's just avatar underscore URL equals and then that long word. We're just gonna use two variables today: the username and the content. Let's just do player.name. So instead, it's gonna be player. So we're still referencing this player here. The player that is being chatted, it will get his or her name. And then the content of the message is SMG, which is basically message. So now if we press play and load in, alright, and then we just type in random nonsense. And then this is what it shows up on the chat. Or in whatever name server that you have it. As you guys can see, it logs the player name and then all the messages. Alright, thank you guys for going out today's video, and hope to see you guys in the next one. This one is kind of short today because this one isn't really, how do I word it, time consuming as the other one is. This one is simple, 17 lines of code. That's about it. But in cases like, for example, if you are a, I don't know, roleplay community on Roblox and you will moderate your chat, or you want to moderate your chat regardless of what you use it for, then this is the way to go. Because this way you guys can have a chat and you can see who's chatting what. So if someone is, let's say, advertising in the server, you can get the username and instantly ban them. So, with further ado, thank you guys for coming out to today's video. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.